Hello and welcome to our XC15 demo. This demo introduces a model corpus for model differencing tools. Since this is a dataset-based demonstration, there's not much of a tool to show. Nonetheless, we think that the presented model corpus is a contribution to the current state of scientific research in this area. Because only when algorithms are evaluated based on comparable datasets, the results can be compared to. This practice, proven and well established in many scientific branches, is currently missing in the research area of model-driven development. So, let's get started with a short motivational introduction. Model differencing, that is the process of comparing two software models and compute correspondences and differences between them, is arguably the most important base functionality for model versioning. Many advanced model versioning tools, for example patch and merge tools, rely on algorithms that compute high-quality correspondences and differences between two models. While several differencing algorithms were proposed in the last years, it is hard to assess the quality of them. One important reason for this is the lack of test models. Such test models are scarce because they are treated as trade secrets, they are only available in proprietary formats, or if models are available, they lack specific properties needed to be used in an evaluation. Many of the algorithms presented therefore created and used their own test models, which are often unrealistic, small and simple examples. Furthermore, these datasets are often not made available for fellow researchers. This obviously hinders the scientific progress. In the context of model differencing tools, the reliability of evaluations is rather low. Furthermore, the results of different approaches are not comparable because they use different sets of test models in their evaluations. Obviously, this current state-of-the-art is bad scientific practice. The general problem on the availability of test models was recognized by the community in the last years. Several independent initiatives were started to address this deficit. Although the context and goals of these initiatives varies, they all have in common that they aim at establishing model corpora which are accepted by the community. The contribution of this demo is a model corpus for model differencing tools. The corpus contains a total of 185 benchmarks. The different sets of benchmarks stem from various sources. For example, some sets were synthetically created by a model generator, while other sets were extracted from model databases. The models contained in the corpus are freely available for download. All models are based on established implementations of the given standard specifications. This ensures that the models can be used by everyone in the community. Each benchmark set consists of an original model, a modified version of this model, as well as a set of correspondences between these two. These benchmarks can be used as a gold standard. They allow to assess the quality of model differencing tools by comparing the results to the correspondences contained in the benchmark. Furthermore, when used to evaluate competing approaches, they allow to compare their quality. Our corpus currently contains 69 benchmarks for class diagrams, 14 benchmarks for UML state machines, and 102 benchmarks for BPMN2 diagrams, which is a kind of process model. All benchmarks, as well as additional information, are available on the accompanying website to the submission. You can find the URL on the slide and also in the description of the video. Besides the evaluation of differencing approaches, there is another use case for the presented benchmarks. They are currently used to optimize the configuration of a state-of-the-art differencing approach. The core idea is to use them to assess the quality of the current computed differences. Based on this evaluation, an evolutionary strategy alters and optimizes the configuration of the differencing tool. The results produced by this new configuration are again tested against the gold standard provided by the benchmarks. This process is repeated until a certain quality or a fixed number of iterations is reached. We successfully used a prototype implementation of this approach for shape-based object retrieval in the context of pattern recognition. Preliminary results on software models show that the quality of the optimized configuration is comparable to the quality of manually created configurations. We are currently preparing a paper about these results. In this demo, we presented a corpus for model differencing tools. This corpus currently contains more than 180 models that can be used to assess the quality of differencing tools. We hope that the community starts to recognize the value of such datasets. We also encourage other researchers to follow our example by making the test models public. Only this can ensure that the experiments are reproducible and results are comparable. Thank you very much.